Hello, and welcome to a new episode of AZTV. I'm Kim DiNapoli, lead sales for the Bay Area territory for A to Z Bus. Today we'll be talking with Brian Shreve, the Director of Maintenance, Operations, and Transportation at Milpitas Unified School District. Today, Brian will be showing us his new EV fleet.
Hi, Brian Shreve, Director of Maintenance and Operations for Milpitas Unified School District. We're here with our Bluebird all-electric fleet, charging stations behind me, and the buses we purchased through AZ Bus. The process was incredible, very streamlined. Everything went as we planned, and here we are with the buses in operation. The drivers admire them, love them. They've been very satisfied with their operation. Our mechanic appreciates their minimal maintenance on them. We couldn't ask for more at this point. So from day one, AZ Bus has been instrumental in their guidance and assistance with us through the grant process, steering us and guiding us in the right direction for the approval we received, to the actual training post-purchase of this equipment. It was instrumental in being here on site, which they provided to our bus drivers, which put them in the driver's seat, and they now feel extremely comfortable with the proper operation of this new technology, these new buses, to include the technical training for our mechanic. We couldn't ask for more. So as the district started down this road of electric bus procurement, one of the things that was high on our list was who would be there in the future after we purchased the vehicle. We had long conversations with AZ Bus and the backing of Bluebird, and we know they've been around a long time and will continue to be there for a lot longer. And they gave us their commitment, and they've held to that, and they've been strong in every aspect thus far, and we can't appreciate it more.